In this super quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to install Notepad++ on your Windows computer in just 1 minute. For this, go and open any browser. Then in address bar type download Notepad++ and press enter. Click on the first link pointing to official website of Notepad++. Here under download, click on download Notepad++. Currently it is version 8.7.1. On the next screen, click on download button. By default it is for 64-bit version. Then go to download location and double click on it to start installation. If you get the pop-up, click on yes button. Next click on OK. Click on next. Click on I agree button. This is the installation location of Notepad++. Leave it as it is. Then click on next button. Again click on next. By default it is taking 12 megabytes storage space. Check in create shortcut on desktop option and click on next. This will start installation process. Click on finish. Now you will find the Notepad on desktop as shown here. You can go to search and type Notepad++ and you will get Notepad++ from here as well. In this way we download and installed Notepad++ on Windows. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.